Hello there! Ever faced the frustrating issue of not being able to open an After Effects project file because you have an older version of the software? Well, you're not alone. Many users face this problem. Today, I'll show you some simple ways to tackle this issue and get those projects opened, even without upgrading your After Effects. Let's dive in. First, understand the core problem. Newer versions of After Effects often use features and codecs that older versions simply don't recognize. That's why you see that dreaded error message. The most straightforward solution is to ask the person who created the project to save it as a compatible version. They can do this by going to File, then Save As, and finally, Save As Version. They should choose a version of After Effects that's older or the same as yours. This is the ideal scenario. However, sometimes, contacting the original creator isn't possible. In that case, you can explore using a third-party service. There are online After Effects version converters. These converters take the newer project file and attempt to translate it into a format compatible with older versions. Search online for After Effects version converter. Be cautious though. Always research the service. Read reviews and make sure it's reputable before uploading any files. Free services might have limitations or security risks. Another option is to use an intermediate software. If you have access to any computer with a newer version of After Effects, even if it's a trial version, use it. Open the project in that newer version. Then, export the individual elements. Export the compositions as separate video files, like .mov or .mp4 files. Export any still images as .png or .jpeg. Export audio separately as .wav or .mp3. Then, import all these elements into your older version of After Effects and recreate the project. It's more work, but it's reliable. Consider rendering the complex animations or compositions as pre-rendered video files within the newer version. This reduces the processing load on your older machine when you import and rebuild the project. This can significantly improve performance and prevent crashes. Also, remember that some plugins might be the cause of the incompatibility. If you know which plugins were used in the newer project, make sure you have compatible versions installed in your older After Effects. If not, try removing the effects associated with those plugins in the newer version before attempting to open it in your older version. Finally, upgrading After Effects is always the best long-term solution. Adobe offers various subscription plans. This ensures you always have the latest features and compatibility. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helped you solve your After Effects compatibility issues. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more helpful tutorials. Your support helps me create more content like this. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions.